Go to security. It's giving me that we need permission to share your screen. Go to security and privacy and then screen recording.
Yeah, you have to check your antivirus, the firewall on your site. Okay, while we solve this issue, have you all of you installed MySQL and dbeaver? Do you have issue with an installation? Done? Okay, perfect. So let me check. What's that? Okay. Now I'll share my screen. I need you to start using dbeaver, all of you, please. And I will share my screen to help you how to connect dbeaver with MySQL. Yes, Mohsen, please.
So I'm still installing the dbeaver, but it says it's a 14-day trial, something like that.
No, I mentioned that you need to install the community version. Do not install the enterprise.
Okay,
So you have to uninstall this one, download the community, the one that is on the left side, not on the right side. It's mentioned the community version. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay. So let me share my screen. Yes, Ashley.
Installed it, but I can't find it on my computer. It's not on my desktop.
Search. Go to the search bar.
I've tried, and it just takes me to internet searches.
To share screen.
Absolutely. Give me 1 sec.
Is it Mac or Windows? Yeah, dbeaver. Yeah, it is. There's a button. No, leave the MySQL. No, not this one. This is not. On the bar, there is beside the teams, there's a new icon. Beside teams, yeah, this one.
Yeah, that's the other one, but where's the MySQL workbench?
No need. Have you installed Workbench or not?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, there's no
I've only done. Oh, okay. So we're doing everything from here. I don't need anything that says like MySQL. There's no. Okay.
You could do MySQL or you could use dbeaver. It's up to you.
Okay, no, that works. I was just very confused because I downloaded two things and only saw one.
Okay, so where's my dbeaver? No, not this one. Where's the dbeaver? Yes. Now let me share my screen. So basically, currently, do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yep. Now, all of you have this screen if you are using dbeaver. If you have Workbench, you have a different screen. Now, to connect dbeaver with your MySQL database that you just installed, there is here on the left side corner here, there's a new icon. It's with a plus sign. This one with a plus sign. I need you to click here beside it. You will have a drop-down menu with different types of databases, variety of databases. And also here we have other, you can find the rest of available databases here. One of these options, it's called MySQL, this one. If you are not able to find it here, it is part of the other option here. You could find it here. In the search, you could find, do not use the legacy. You could use the old Okay, don't use the legacy. And here, this is MySQL. If you can click on MySQL, you will have a new form in the center of your screen. All of you have this one now?
Yes.
Perfect. Now, we need to fill few few fields to connect dbeaver with MySQL. I will show you. I will just click here. Just give me a second. Edit connection. Now, in the database field, this one, I needed to write a MySQL. Okay. And in the username, it should be root. And in the password field, you need to write the password that you set during the installation. So MySQL, root, password, just 3 fields, and leave the server host to the local host. This one, leave it as the default. Do not click OK. Do not hit test connection. Just fill this 3 fields, and we have to do so we have to update 2 flags to complete the connection. Anyone have an issue with these 3 fields? Okay. So here on the top, we have 3 tabs: main, advanced, and driver properties. Do you have this field now, this tab, driver properties, or you might need an update?
Yeah, mine says I need to download.
Yeah,
Edit
download
driver,
and update.
download.
Yeah, just download and update. Yeah.
Yep.
Done?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Now we have 2 more steps. We have to update 2 flags. Here in the driver properties, you should have these flags. Okay. One of these is called allow public retrieval. This one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th one. It is set to false. Just click on it and change it to true here. Change the value from false to true. Have you found it? Perfect. Now, the second one, I need to scroll down till the end. Scroll down till the end. The last flag, second and last flag that I need to change, it is called use SSL. This one. This one. So if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 10th one here. The last 10. Okay. Here, set it to false. Change the value from true to false. So we have to change 2 parameters. The first one, it's allow public key retrieval from false to true. And the second one, use SSL to make it make it false. and then hit on the test connection, you should have connected this message or connection successful. You should have similar connection or similar message. Do you have this message?
Professor, no. It says refused for me.
If it's refused, then you have. Could you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Let me stop sharing. Yeah. Okay. Click on OK. Scroll up. Okay, go to the main.
Because I don't remember my password is that could be the reason.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is the password. That's why I
So,
mentioned that you need to write the password on a piece of paper or a note and make it simple passwords.
I don't recollect what I put the password.
So you have to recover the password.
Okay. Can I uninstall and install again?
Yeah, you could do it. Yeah, you could do it.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, what about the rest? Done?
I can share my screen now if you help me.
Yeah, could you share? Okay.
Should we just click on finish after?
Yeah,
or...
test, yes, and okay.
I did test connection, said okay, and I clicked okay. Then
just click okay, that's it. Yeah.
But the connection setting is still displayed on my screen. Should I click finish?
But just give me a minute and we will share your screen. Just give me a minute.
Okay, thank you.
And who have an issue? There was another one. Who shared the screen? Whom? Could I know the name?
I share the screen. Actually, I just wanted to ask like this viewer. So which one? This is the community one, right?
Yeah. Do you have Windows or Mac?
Windows.
Yeah, the first Windows installer. Yeah, download this one.
Okay.
Download this one and install it.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Who wants to share the screen? Yes, let us see. Yeah, I can see the screen. Go. Who's that? This is Masin sharing the screen?
No, not anyone.
Who's that? Who's sharing the screen?
Busayo, sorry, I didn't know my
mic
was off.
Yeah, it's okay.
Busayo, sorry. Yeah, so I said that I did click on test connection and it did say connection, and I clicked OK. Do I click on finish now, or is there anything
just
I have
click
to
finish.
do?
Yeah, finish.
Okay.
Finish.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, no worries. Yes, who's else? Yes, please show me. Oh, Gourmet. Okay.
Okay, let me show you. This is my screen.
Is this Gourmet?
Yep. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, I am now.
Okay, so I'll show you what I'm getting. So I'm getting this error. MySQL 9.6 community can't be installed on this computer.
Is it Mac?
Yep.
Okay, could you show me which one that you downloaded?
I downloaded to go to here and then show you. So I downloaded this one, the first one.
Okay, now, okay, could you go to the, here? Could you go with select OS version? OS version. The third tab, the third drop-down menu.
From the menu. Here.
Yeah, the third one. Select OS version.
Okay, no. The third. This one?
The third one. Select OS version. Not this one, not the second. The third one. The one that is below select operating system. No.
Okay,
There is
this
all.
one.
Do you see the word all? All, A-double-L?
Yeah. Here. All,
yeah. There's a drop-down menu. Yeah, select. Yeah, here. Click on the... Yeah, which version that you have?
I guess this one, 64.
Is it Intel or M?
I don't know.
Okay, go.
Can I check?
Okay, go to the left top corner. To the top left corner, there is an Apple icon. Could you click on the Apple? Yeah, above this Mac.
Okay.
Could you click on the up? Yeah. Is it an old one?
Yeah.
Oh. Which? It's MacBook Pro of which model? 2000 what? 2012, 13, 14, 15.
It's 11, I guess. I brought it 10 years ago, so it was pretty old.
Okay, then here. Okay, click here. Okay, close this one. Close it. Go to the all. Select Intel. Go to the all. Beside the all.
Yeah.
The mouse is not moving. Yeah. Select just 86 x86. The second one.
Okay.
Yeah, the second one.
Okay.
Yeah, select it.
Yeah, I selected.
Okay. And I need to download the first one. Not leave the others.
Okay. This is the same as before.
This is the same one that you downloaded?
No. I'm going to download now. This one, right? The first one?
Yeah, the first one. Yeah, DMG.
DMG, okay.
I think this one will work because it's 86. Yeah, don't go with the login. Don't go with the setup. Sign up.
Yeah,
go to the no thanks. Just download.
Okay, yeah, it's downloading here. Let me see.
Yeah. Download it and install it. Try to install it.
Okay, let's see if it's work or not.
Okay. While you are downloading, let us check. There's another one. Then. It's Intel. Yeah, it's Intel. Yes, i5. Yes. Who else have an issue? Who else have an issue? All done? Okay, then let us just wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, try to double click. Which one of these? Yeah, this one. I think this is this one. Hello.
Hi, it's saying this
hello.
package will
hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me, Professor?
Yes. Just click on hello.
Okay. And then?
Continue.
Continue, okay.
Continue. Continue.
Just agree
and continue with the installation. Do the rest.
Install. Yeah, I guess it's stalling.
Yeah, so while it's
Please.
installing, I have to resume. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Yes, Mohsen.
Just want to show you, like, I missed a step. I was trying to download when you were explaining this, how to
Download.
connect,
Download.
download. Okay.
Yeah, okay, click OK.
Public key retrieval is
Yeah, just hit OK. Here on the top you have main, advanced, and driver properties. On the top. Yeah, click on the advanced. Yeah, click on the driver properties. Yes, it is. Yeah, this one. Allow public retrieval. The above one. Yeah, this one. Change it to true. And I need to scroll till the end. Scroll till the end of the screen. Yeah. And use SSL. Change it to false. Yes, this one. Change it to false. Correct. And no, just click test connection. Test connection. It is connected. Okay. And finish.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's working. Okay, cool. Okay, so I will resume from my side what we will have now. Let me share the screen. Share screen. Won't you start? Now, because all of us have downloaded and installed MySQL and dbeaver, and some of you prefer to use Workbench, it's okay. You could use either one of them. Now, we will start learning. We will start learn the first command of SQL, which is create command. Currently, you installed MySQL. This is MySQL in your computer. It is an empty environment. It contains nothing, blank, nothing. So what we will do, we have to create a database. I'll give it a name RDB. This is your class name. Then inside this database, if you zoom here, we have to create tables. Then we will insert records. So the first step, we have to create the database. Then we have to create tables. So to create the database, we have to use the command create. So the command is create. And this term should be followed with the term database. We have to specify what we want to create. Is it a database? Is it a table? Is it a view? Step procedure? Currently, we have to create a database inside MySQL. And then followed by the database name. Here, I'll say, I give it this one. RDB. This is the database name. Now, one of the most important notes that you need to keep it in your mind. You need to end all your SQL commands with, where is it? Here. Yes, this one. With semicolon. It is important and necessary that you end all your commands with semicolon. All your commands, create, select, insert, delete, update, any one of them. Do not leave this part. Do not skip this symbol. Is it okay? Yeah. I will give you an example how to create a database in dbeaver. Let us, where is it? Just give me a second, start presenting, and then I'll switch to my computer. Just a second. Where's the share screen? Yeah, it is this one. Now, for this dbeaver, okay, we created the connection. We connected dbeaver with MySQL. If you are able to see on the left side here, on the left side, you will have a term here or a word like localhost or local connection or sysinfo. It depends on your connection name. You have a word here and there's a check sign here. It's with the green color, this one. You should have something similar to this one. So do you have this one in yours? Perfect. That's mean the connection is successful.
Sorry, I didn't
okay.
Get the point here.
Okay, could you share a screen? Yes, Hafiz.
Okay.
Just share a screen.
Okay. dbeaver. Oh no. Yes. Okay. Yep. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, yeah. You already have a MySQL in yours, and there's a check sign, check mark. Do you see it? The green one?
Yes. Here.
Yeah, that means it's connected. It's connected.
Okay. Then what's next? Okay.
Yeah, you just give me a second. I will continue.
Okay.
And yes, we have Mohsen. Do you have a question?
Okay, just stop sharing.
Thank you.
I already have stop sharing, right?
No, still I'm able to see your screen.
When stop sharing.
Are you able to see my screen?
Not yet. I'm able to see a screen. I'm not sure if
Yeah,
it's yours or.
Yeah, it's mine. It's mine.
Yep. Okay.
Is
So
it
I don't
yours?
see. Yeah, it's mine.
You okay?
So I don't see that sign here.
Which sign? Could you share the dbeaver in yours?
Yeah, this is the dbeaver.
Yeah. Did just a minute, let me see. Maximize, just maximize, do maximize. Max the screen, please. Yeah. Okay, could you go right click on the local host, right click. Just do the right click.
Yeah.
On the local host and do refresh.
Okay.
I'm not able to see. Yeah, refresh. I can't see anything. It is connected. It should. Okay, there's a drop down menu beside the local screen. Could you click on this arrow?
Local screen.
Local host. Yeah, this one. Yeah, beside the local host, there's an arrow on the left side.
Oh yeah.
Could you click on it? Yeah, it is connected. It is connected. There's a check sign. Do you see the green mark, the green sign?
Yeah, but it was showing local host, so that's why I didn't.
Yeah, if it's local host, if it's sysinfo, it depends, but all of them do the same meaning.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Perfect. Okay. And there's someone asked something on the chat. How to open MySQL? Gurmrit, could you share your screen?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't know how to open MySQL because it showed me that installation is complete.
Okay.
I don't know how to.
Have you installed dbeaver?
Yeah. No, not yet.
You have to install both of them.
Okay,
You
then
have to install MySQL and dbeaver. Both.
Okay, then it works.
Okay, download dbeaver. Download the community version of dbeaver. Don't download the enterprise.
Community version?
Community version. Yes. Yes, the community version. Choose Mac. There's Windows and there is Mac. No, no system account. Just go back.
Okay.
Back. Yeah. Here you have Windows, and below Windows there is Mac OS X. Do you see this term?
This one?
Yeah. You have to download the Intel. Yes. Not
Apple?
not the Apple. Your computer's old version. Download the Mac OS for Intel, the second one.
Okay.
Download and install this one.
Okay.
Okay. I have to resume the class. Sorry, I can't continue. I have to resume the class.
Sure.
Okay, just watch the records later. Okay.
Okay, I'll do it. Thank you.
Hello.
Let me stop screening.
Now, in dbeaver, we want to create the new database. Now, how to create the database or how to deal with MySQL. In the main Canva here, in the center of the screen, this is the main Canva, okay? We need to write the code. How to write the code? Here, by selecting a new SQL script here from the menu. On the top, okay, there is a term called SQL. There's a drop-down menu beside it. The third option is new SQL script. Do you see it? Are you able to see it in yours?
Yes.
Okay, could you click on this one? Select this one. You will have Okay, the script part in your Canva. Now, what shall we do? We need to execute the command, which is create database, and I'll give it a name RDB, which is our current database, the one that we will use for this semester. Now, we have to create this database. The command just written to execute this command, the written command, there is a button here beside, on the left side here. It's called execute SQL query, which is this one. Click it, click on this button, and the command will be executed.
Sorry, where is the button for the execution?
Here, this one. Do you see my cursor? This one?
Yep.
Here? Yeah.
Professor,
Yeah,
why do
okay,
you have
thank
a number 1? Like,
You could have it. It's just the row number, the line number.
Oh, okay. So it's
just
okay.
the line number.
I don't have it, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It's part of the setting. You could add it. You could ignore it.
Oh, okay.
It's part of the setting.
Okay.
Now, if you execute this command, you will have this result. Updated rows 1. This is the execution time. Create database. Yes. Let me stop share mine. And I need to share your screen. There's someone. Yeah, Mohsen? Yes, Mohsen.
Just want to confirm, like, after 1, did you enter space, or like how it's being used?
Which one? Sorry.
Let me share my screen for a moment.
Yeah. Yeah.
For example, I'm trying to create here the
There's
code.
leave the one. Delete the number 1. Number 1 deleted. Just delete number 1. Yeah.
Okay, and then
No need.
after,
no need to have it. No need. No need
okay,
to have
after
it.
create.
Yeah. Space.
Okay,
not
space.
Dot.
I put
No
dot.
space.
And then
also
database space.
Space and RDB.
RDB and semicolon and then run.
Yeah, exactly. Correct. Execute.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what shall we do? I need all of you go to the left side below the local host. There are folders: databases, users, administrator, sysinfo. I need you to click on the arrow beside the databases. Now, if you click on that arrow beside the database, some of you will not be able to see, are not able to see the RDB. Let me share mine. Here. And this databases. Okay. Some of you are not able to see the RDB. So you need to just go right click and refresh. If you click on refresh, the RDB database will be visible to you. The databases that we just created. You have this database in yours? Anyone have a question, concern? Okay. Now, there is a step.
Wow.
Yes. Anyone have a question? Okay. Now, the next step. Oh, there's someone in the chat here. Yeah, correct, Lynn, correct. RDB. Yeah, thank you. Now, the next step, this coming step, it's necessarily that you. Gunrit, do you still have a question? Okay. Okay. The next coming step, it's necessarily that you execute it or follow it. Okay. Each time you want to work with dbeaver. Each time, which is, so for example, next week when you will connect with dbeaver, you need to be sure that you do these 2 steps. The first one, you need to be sure that your dbeaver, this tool, it is connected to MySQL. Okay, how to do that? Here we have here in the menu, in the center of the menu. You see this is the menu. In the center, we have this drop-down menu. This one. You need to be sure that you have a check sign, okay, for the connection, localhost connection that you just created, which is this one in yours. Maybe you have just localhost, so it should be localhost in yours. Maybe you have sysinfo like mine, so it should be sysinfo. Maybe it's different name, so it should be the same name. So each time you want to work with a dbeaver, you need to be sure that you have the right connection, which is this one, the one that we just created. Is it clear? Cool. Now, the second step, because we connect dbeaver with the right connection, we need to be sure that we will connect to the right database. So for example, in my computer, in my dbeaver, I have 0LA, 0LC, 0LD, and RDB. All of these 4 databases belong to the same connection. So I need to be sure that I will write my command to the appropriate database, to the correct one, to the required one. Currently, for this class, it should be RDB database. RDB database. So to be sure of that, the arrow that is beside the connection, this one, you have this one. I have these 4 options. Maybe you have only one in yours. Okay. But mine, I have these 4 options. These 4 belongs to the same connect database that I have here on the left side. I need to be sure that I will select RDB, which is the database that it is created now. All of you have this connection and this database in yours. I need to be sure that you set this one. Yeah, perfect. Anyone have a question? Okay. So
I get an error when I run the when I execute.
Could you share your screen, please?
Okay.
Create should be ended with E. The create command.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, you must say
even
E.
so, even so. Yeah, even so. Okay.
Yeah, could you execute it now?
Yeah, still there is an error.
Could you just try? It's already existed. Okay. No worries.
Okay.
That's okay. No worries. Okay, no worries. Now, could you here? You have 2 connection. MySQL 1, MySQL, and MySQL 2. Could you delete the second one?
This
MySQL
one.
2. Delete. Right click on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now in the center, I need here you have the connection MySQL. I need to go the second one, the one that is beside it. It's also on MySQL. Change this one to RDB.
Which one?
And you have to connect to the database. In the menu, Okay, on the menu, you have MySQL. Do you see these terms on the menu? In the center.
This one? In the center, okay.
No, not here, not here. Let me share my screen and I need to follow the steps with me. I'll share mine. Hafiz.
Yes.
Okay, here. Do you see the cursor of my computer?
Yeah, yes.
Here in the center of your menu, you have these two actions. Okay. The first one, it should be in your computer, should be MySQL in yours.
Yes.
Which means the connection that you just created, the one on the left. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the second one here, I need to click on this one. You should have RDB in yours.
Okay.
Do you have RDB?
Yes.
Click on RDB.
Okay. Yep.
It is connected.
Okay.
Just to be sure, on your MySQL, click on the arrow here, and the database is arrow. You should have RDB in yours now.
Yeah.
You have it?
Yeah. Yes.
Perfect. Anyone else have an issue? Okay. Just give me a minute. I need a cup of water. Just give me a minute. I'll be back. Okay, so I'll continue with the next command. By the way, what time is it? I forget the time. Okay, we still have some time. Share screen. Start. So currently we created the first database in our MySQL. The second command is also create, but we will replace the term database with the term table. The current database, it's an empty, it contains nothing. It's an empty container. So we have to create the tables and insert the records. So today I will just give you a brief about the create table command. And next week, we will continue with the examples. And we have different scenarios, how to create databases and how to insert records in databases, in tables, sorry. So the create table, the command is, no, this one. What's this one? Yeah. Create, the same create command, but we will replace the database with table and the table name. For example, it's customers. This is my table that I want to create. In this table, in any table that we want to create, we need to set the columns or the attributes or the fields of this table. So to set the columns, names, and characteristics, all of them should be surrounded with open parentheses and I will say close. So all the columns should be between these two parentheses. And don't forget to end the statement with semicolon, this one. Now, I would say that I have just an example for today. We have two columns only. The first one is ID, followed by its data type. I'll say integer here. I'll just end it with integer because it's not the only column, so we have to add a comma here. And the second one, first name var character, I'll say 50. Because we have two columns, okay, the first one need to be ended with a comma, while the last one, we don't have comma here. If we have, for example, a table with three columns, I'll give an example here. So the command is create table, customers to open and close. I'll say ID. I'll say here, big int, comma, first name, var character 50, comma, I will say phone character 10, because phone is the last column. Last column, we do not include the comma here. We don't have comma. Well, it should be here and here. So that's mean only the last column in the definition shouldn't be ended with a comma, while all the rest of columns should be ended with a comma. So if you have a table of 10 columns, so from column 1 to column 9, all of these columns should be ended with a comma. Column number 10, the 10th one, shouldn't be ended with a comma. Yes, Ashley.
Do we not need to put not null in any of them?
It's just an example, by the way. It's just an example.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah. And that's why I said next week we have a lot of details. Adding the not null primary key and auto increment, the other constraints, I mean, the foreign key, primary key references. Okay. So this is just an example. So I will, yeah. Do these examples clear to you? Okay, then I will create these two examples just to show you the step. And next week we'll create real examples, real tables. So let me stop share from here. Where's the share? Stop sharing. So I'll give you just an example. So what I will do, sorry. Here, I will say create table, I will say customers, open, close parentheses. Between these two parentheses, sorry. I'll end it with semicolon here. I'll say ID, integer, comma, first name, varchar, I'll say 50. That's it. So we have these two columns, ID and first name. Inside the RDB database, currently, we don't have any table currently. So I'll execute this command. And I'll do refresh here. So I have this table, customers table, this one. In customers table, I have two columns, ID and first name. And these are the data type of these two columns. Easy, simple. Okay, perfect. So I think I will, yeah, I have to end this class because I spent much of the time. So I'll mark our attendance and we will meet next week. So let me mark our attendance. Attendance. Let me, this is